Hello everyone, today we'll show you how to add a 1099G form on TurboTax. First, open TurboTax and click on the search icon at the top of the screen. In the search bar, type 1099G and select the option that says Jump to 1099G. TurboTax will then ask if you received any income that falls under the 1099G category. Click Yes to proceed. Next, select the type of income you want to review or enter. Click Continue to move forward. TurboTax will then ask if you received a state or local tax refund. Whether you received the form or not, click Yes or No accordingly. You'll then be prompted to enter your 1099G information. Provide the required details such as the state or locality, the total refund received, total payments, withholding, and the tax year. After entering this information, click Continue. Next, TurboTax will ask if any additional conditions apply to you. Check the appropriate boxes and click Continue. Provide the amount of your refund if prompted, then click Continue again. Finally, TurboTax will ask if you took the standard deduction or itemized your deductions. Select the applicable option and click Continue. Once you have completed these steps, you will have successfully added your 1099G form. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.